calm drive can be interrupted by a flashing light or a horn behind you. One moment, everything feels normal. The next, your grip tightens, your breathing changes, your focus narrows. Not because there's danger, but because your brain thinks there is. It turns pressure into urgency. It tells you to hurry, to react, to move now. And that's when mistakes happen. A wrong turn, a missed signal, sometimes a crash. But pressure doesn't mean danger. It's just noise. And the moment you slow your thinking, control returns, and mistakes fade.